Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been moving sideways since yesterday's drop. As I said in the earlier video today, this could simply be a wave 4 that is unfolding here with another move down. That would be pretty much in line with the Ethereum video. If you've seen it, that I put out, the wave 4 in that case is not finished yet, because it would come as a triangle. So just see that, and that would fulfill, if we see one more leg down, we can count it as a 5-wave move. The small problem we have at the moment is that already you could, if you wanted to, count all of this as a 5-wave move already. That would indicate that we came down in a wave 1 and we would now be retracing in a wave 2. That should take us to around about 21k. The problem is with that, at least 21k, the problem is that I have with that scenario is that we haven't really seen a very clear 5-wave move yet. So, and also the current price action doesn't really point towards it being a wave 2 because the retracement is quite shallow. So for me at the moment, it is more likely that we actually, and let me go to the lower time frame so I can calculate actually the fibs, that this is the wave count actually for me at the moment. Important, let me just... So there's unfortunately few possibilities how this can be unfolding. I would need to move the wave 3 down here to have the triangle pattern work out. So this is details and this is really micro counting, so it is extremely difficult. But to give you an idea, if we say wave 3 finished down here, then we've already reached the minimum retracement for a wave 4 here, the 23.6% fib level. In that move up, we actually nearly reached the 20.6k level, which is the 38.2% fib level for a wave 4, the ideal retracement. So I think we need to be open to the idea that we could get one more leg down. I would prefer that. That would be a key 5-wave impulse down, and that would allow us to exclude some options. At the moment, this still looks very much like a 3-wave move for me to the downside. And therefore at the moment I think we see a little bit more price action probably around the opening of the stock market today. That would probably allow us to understand a bit more, but I'm open here to the idea of another leg down. Ideally it stays above 19,400. If we stay above 400, this could still take a bullish turn. If we drop below 19,400, it will get a bit problematic. Okay, so below 19,400, the bears get into, in my opinion, full control. And what we will have then, and I go back to the 1-hour chart, so those are basically the levels that I mentioned yesterday already. If we stay above to 20,000, and if we see only a 3-wave move down, which this in my opinion is at the moment because I'm still missing a clear 5-wave move down, then this could potentially become bullish. As long as we stay above 20k, that would be a bullish signal. If we go below 19.4, then the bears get into control. So above 20k, bullish. Above 19.4k, the bullish scenario still has a chance, but it will get more tricky. And below 19.4k, I think we are going to see here lower lows and possibly even lower lows than 17,600. Okay, so we need to be aware of that, because in this scenario, then if we lose that 19.4k level, it could very well be that we are already in the 3rd wave to the downside and have only then seen here the wave 1 down. But even then, we are going to see a wave 2 to the upside, and we will then see a major sell-off in a wave 3. For me at the moment, it's not clear that this wave 1 down is finished. I'm open to the idea of another drop. That would also be confirmed by my Ethereum wave count and the ADA wave count, where I expect one more leg down. Does it need to happen? Of course not. You know, I can only tell you the likelihoods, in my opinion, how I see the market. But this sideways range, you would also call like a bear flag or something. So strong move down, consolidation, typical for a wave 4, and then another move down. These are the key support levels. And a move above 21k would sort of, for me, be like the first rather bullish signal that we get here, the very first one. But I would like to see the next move here. If it goes down, then we have 5 waves complete, and we can expect, first of all, some upside in a corrective move to the upside, which would then be either a wave C to the upside that could take us all the way to No, sorry, it couldn't be that. Yeah, it would most likely be a corrective move then, which would result in another impulse down. So if we see those 5s down, and if we see 5 down, yeah, and see 3 up, and then it would result in 5 down, and then it would basically be a very good confirmation that we are actually in this long move down, and it would take us below 17.6k with a very high likelihood. So it all depends now on the next wave, really, here on the micro. 5 waves down, always a bearish key scenario, yeah, 5 down. If we only remain at 3 down, this could, and stay above 20k, as I said, this could evolve into something more bullish. So yeah, unfortunately only a bit of sideways action, no real change to my previous video. Just want to keep you updated. As always, I keep you updated also on Telegram and Discord if you're a channel member, especially now in the afternoon. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.